What if AA could transform your beauty routine in minutes? We're testing the wildest trending beauty hacks powered by artificial intelligence, and the results might surprise you. AI apps like Skin Vision and Perfectly Clear analyze your skin in real time using your phone camera. They detect texture issues, breakouts, and recommend personalized routines. Perfect for creators who need flawless skin on camera. Simply snap a photo, let AI analyze, and get instant product suggestions tailored to your skin type. Tools like YouCam and Modiface let you test makeup before buying. Upload your photo, apply different eyeshadows, lipsticks, and foundations virtually. Freelancers save money testing products without purchases. The IIA matches save money testing products without purchases. The IIA handle as vertically. Rake, no more guesswork. See exactly how colors look on you in seconds. Apps using AI predict how hair dyes look before application. Upload your photo, select colors, and preview results instantly. This hack prevents costly salon mistakes. Small businesses use this for client consultations remotely. It's accurate, free, and saves thousands in corrective treatments annually. New AI tools generate custom lip shapes based on your face structure. They analyze facial proportions and suggest optimal lip contours for your features. Creators use this for makeup tutorials. It's personalized beauty science, no more following trends that don't suit your face shape. Smash that like button and subscribe for more iTool reviews. Drop a comment. Which beauty hack will you try first? You are tree. All the comment.